What's up, guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I want to show you guys on how to create your own BYbit account. On this tutorial, try to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so that you guys can understand step by step on how to create your own BYbit account. And currently now BYbit is giving you 30,000 bonus for those of that just register through my links down below this video, and I'll put my referral code on the screen so that you guys can use my links down below and on the screen to get registered with BYbit. And on my YouTube channel here, I'll be showing you guys tutorial how you can make money with BYbit, how you can earn money, copy trade and stuff like that. You can transfer from your funds from one exchange to another, how you can withdraw from your BYbit, how you can deposit from your BYbit. So anything you need on this BYbit, just let me know on down below on the comment section so that I can create a video for you guys to watch to know more about this BYbit. BYbit is one of the largest crypto in the world, and it's been around more than some years ago now, and it's working perfectly. I'm going to show you guys step by step today how you can create your own BYbit account. If you are a new member to my YouTube channel here, try to subscribe. Just click on this subscribe button. Once you click on the subscribe button, click on this bell icon here and click on all, so that once you have done that, you have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, so that whenever I release a new video on crypto exchange like this, on how to make money online, different content on how to make money online, you will be the first person to get notification on your phone, on your laptop, on this particular tutorial. Let's jump right into the video right away, guys. So I'll be teaching you guys tutorial on BYbit, how you can make money on BYbit, how you can a lot of things on BYbit on this tutorial video. So let's jump right into the BYbit. So and if you want to try to once you have on your BYbit here, I'll put down my links down below. Okay, I can easily tell you guys on how to do it step by step. All right, so if you want to register, I'll just click on this sign up button. All right, or I can easily put my referral code. All right, it will bring you to this page once you click on my referral code. All right, so I'll put on my referral code, just try to put it here. All right, let me just show you my referral code right now, guys. All right, so just put my referral code down below. Okay, this is 43 this is my referral code, can you see? Okay, all right, so once you have done that, guys, can you see it will show you this is my referral code here. All right, can you see it will mark like this? You are registered with a registered member on BYbit, right? So once you have already, let me just do it step by step for you guys. You have to just put your email. Let me just put my email to register right away so that you can know how to do it step by step on this tutorial. The first, just put your email address. All right, okay, step by step. It's very easy guys, so that you guys can understand on how to get registered with BYbit. Then you're gonna put your password. All right, can you see this is my email address? It's very easy guys. Okay, this is my email address. All right, it's very amazing. So the next step is now just try to put your password. Let me just try to put my password here step by step. You're gonna put your password. You're gonna put your password here. All right, let me just try to do that. All right, for you guys, I've already put in my password for you guys to know how to do it step by step. All right, so once you have already put your password, all right, your email, everything will be set, then you're gonna click on this. Can you see grab a share of 500,000 USD prize pool on BYbit? Is a very amazing exchange, guys. So once you have already set, put your email, your password, put a unique, can you see, a unique password? Can you see? Then you're gonna click on this create account here, click on that. Once you click on that, you have to just wait for it to, then you have to just move this thing to this box. All right, okay, you have to just move it to this, but let me just try to move it here. You have to just move it here. All right, can you see I've already moved my own? I have to just wait for it to come out. Let me just save my password. Then you have to just check your email. Maybe you have received an email. All right, let me just try to check my email right now, guys. Okay, so this is my, let me just try to refresh my email. I've already received an email. Try to refresh my email. Can you see this is my email, BYbit? Let me just click on this BYbit email. Then you have to just copy. This is the email I got from BYbit. Their value BYbit trader. Your email code is, let me just try to copy it. Let me just try to copy it. This is my email. All right, let me just try to copy. Let me just go back to my BYbit. Okay, let me just go back to my, let me just paste in the email. Can you see I've already put in the email? Can you see it's loading? I've already, wow. Can you see I've experienced trade? Can you see earn up to 3,030 when you complete simple tasks on BYbit? This is really interesting. Can you see once you, can you see, and can you see this is, wow, this is really interesting, guys. Can you see? So then a few experience, let me just try to do this thing. All right, okay, all right, okay. Can you see I've experienced trading crypto? Can you see earn up to 30,000 when you complete simple tasks? I own a crypto. That's great. All you have to do is to deposit a crypto on your into your BYbit account and start trading. Deposit now. I don't know how to crypto. Then you can buy. You can buy with your card. You can buy with your card. You can you see? Then you start trading here on BYbit without any problem, guys. Then you have to just do some settings on your BYbit. Let me just come to your, just click on this image of a person. Click on that image. Then you kind of click on this accounts and security to put some of you have to just put your phone number like that. I'm just trying to wait for it load to come up so that I can show you something, right? Can you see? Then not yet. Can you see? You have to just, your account level is low, please set. You have to just put your try to put your profile picture if you like it. Then you have to just try to put your number. You have to click on setting, put your phone number here. You're gonna put your phone number, everything here. Then you have just complete everything here. Put your phone number and all right, then select your region. From maybe you are from Nigeria or American, just select it. Then you have to just put in your identity verification here. Click on it here. Gonna put your, either you wanna put, can you see? You have to just, this is level 1. Then you have to just put maybe, can you see, level 1 is, can you see, ID and selfie. So you need your ID card and your selfie picture. Click on this verify. Then you're gonna put select your country here. Maybe you are in Nigerian, whatever country you are in the world. Just try to type in, let me just put maybe NGN. All right, let me just try to put it NG. This is Nigerian, NGN. I don't know, maybe my Nigerian is there. I just put your, let's say, just put your country. Either you are in Nigerian, whatever country you are in the world. Just try to do that step so that you can you see, just try to do that. Okay, so just try to select your, either from Nigerian, whatever country you are in the world, either Turkey, wherever. Just put in, then select the ID you want to, either you are in Nigerian, any country. Select your ID card, click on next, then just give them the, then click on this next again. All right, and follow the instruction given to you. Just try to do that step by step, guys. Can you see? Maybe you are in Nigeria. Just click on, either you are using a passport, ID card, driving license, resident permit. Just let's say ID card. Then you have to just click on this area, click on next. Then you're gonna put in, you have to just wait for the camera to do that step by step. So I'm follow the instruction given to you yet, and you see, can you see, you can upload manually. You can upload manually. Click on this manually. Then you're gonna put in the front, whatever, do that, and very easy and easy. And then follow the instruction given to you. Upload the front, the document, just follow the instruction given to you here. Then you are done with the KYC. So okay, let's go back to, all right, so you have already done, just then go back again here to put everything you're supposed to put. So put your phone number, put your ID card, click everything, and protect your account. Then set up your Google the two-factor authenticator, click on it area, and put it step by step. Send, can you see, do that, everything, set up your account. You are good to go. This is how to just create your BYbit account for beginner without any problem, guys. This is very simple task for you guys to create your BYbit account. So thank you guys for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe button and like this video, share it to people on how to create your own BYbit account step by step on this tutorial. When you use my link, you're gonna get like $30,000 bonus once you use my links down below this video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like this video. Bye for now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.